Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add an Instagram feed to your site on Wix, so let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is go into Add Apps. From here, I'm going to go into the search bar, and I'm going to type in Instagram feed, and it gives you this app over here. Just click on it, and once you're here, you can just click add to site. It's a free install. It might ask you to log into Instagram. I'm not so sure if it will or won't, but as you can see, once it authorizes it, it will add the Instagram feed just like so. And as you can see, it'll add your Instagram feed into your page as a section. Now you can go into account settings if you want to and select the account you want to use. It'll originally be stretched. You can disable that if you don't want to, and you can do a couple of different things. You can select the elements, for example, all content, title, username, and hashtag. You can also go and modify the the preset. You can change what it looks like. For example, I'll change it to this one since it looks prettier to me. You can also change the layout if you so chose as well. These are the layout settings right over here. And you can do a couple of different things. You can change this design. You can add animations if you want to. And that is basically it. It's as easy as that. I'll leave you to play around with it. But that's basically all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.